Woo! Hey guys, this is me, MJ Edwards here. I came to do this, and I'm sorry about the live stream. I feel so bad. But we have no choice but to do this. So hope you guys like this video. Ooh, it snap. It's getting foggy. It's getting foggy like quick, or smoky like quick. Damn, my sign. Just take the sign down. Woo! Nice. Uh-oh. Sorry guys, they're having technical difficulties. Oh yeah, big time. Oh no. If they're having problems, the city will. Oh snap. Who's all shooting them? Oh snap. Ow. Sorry guys. Oh. Wow, they are, oh my god, they are, guys, they are like having City of Hamilton, please cancel your fireworks show, cause this is like, lesson learned. When you have rain or just gotten rained hours ago, do not shoot fireworks up. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Son of a bitch. Oh my god. Guys, oh my god. Oh, fudge nuggets. Oh, oh. Guys, do not. Oh my god. MJ's about to blow. Oh, shoot. Guys, we are having too many difficulties here. Guys, comment down below if you've ever seen this. The fireworks do that. Like, we had problems last year. But last year we had no rain that day. Or the day before. Or the day before that. So, please comment down below because they are having way too many. More than usual. Oh man, it's getting dense quick. Ooh. Oh, snap. Guys, I've never seen this. This is... Oh my god, guys. Somebody's catching on fire. Like, oh my god. Guys, you gotta stop. Fudge Nuggets! City! What the hell? Oh my god, this is unreal. Guys, it almost hit the house. Oh my god, now I'm about to shit my pants. And yes, this is age restricted. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, Fudge Nuggets. Oh, Nigs. Oh my god. Woo! Oh, oh my god. Oh my god. Did that just really happen? Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, this is unreal. Woohoo! Oh my god, let's have prayers like, oh my god. These people are shooting them again down here, remember? And then now these ones. Oh my god. Oh, son of a biscuit. Oh my god, city, what the hell? Oh my god, this is unreal. Cincinnati better not have them either, like, unless, if they got rain, they better not have them. Although they got rain yesterday, so that may make a big difference. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like these sparkly ones that... Those ones are like useless right now. Like watch. Those ones, those are useless right now. They don't even work. I mean, they look brand new, so I don't know. Oh. Everybody, if you're outside, you better duck your head or run inside. Oh, snap. Because these ones are low. The wind needs to kiss its goodbye. Like, oh my god. Oh my god, these are too low. Oh my god, this is unreal, guys. I've never seen this. Never in my 17 years. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why, people? Why? Oh, son of a bisquick. Oh my god. Guys, we have foggy conditions. It's like you can't see anything in front of you now. That's a little bit of your weather update from MJ Edwards. Smoky. Oh my god, guys. I've never seen this. Like, look at the ones back there. See? Like, wow. Like, they're having a hard time, too. Everybody is. Oh, I bet you it's the heat and humidity. Like, look. Guys, like, there's a fire, it looks like, over here. I don't know what city do I have to make our payment? Like, oh my god. Because I will sue you. $15 billion. Oh, snap. See that, guys? That's like way too far. That's like, there's like way too much smoke. Like, there's smoke over here. Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I hope nobody's getting hurt. Look out. Oh, snap. Guys, the city's having trouble too. So, guys, it's like legit lit here. MJ may have to go and seek shelter. Oh, shoot. It's the humidity. The humidity's killing them. Guys, whenever humidity and all this type of crap, muggy, you know, the hotness and of weather style, do not shoot fireworks, even if it's 4th of July, Memorial Day, whatever it is. Do not shoot them. If it's cold, I would recommend do not shooting them. Like, oh my god, there's a fire. Like, oh my god. There's too much smoke. There's too much. They must be having fun. But, dangerous fun. City, if I have to whoop your butt, then I will. Hamilton is like, oh my god. Hamilton is like covered in smoke. Y'all better wash your cars because it's like covered in smoke. If you live in Hamilton, Ohio, it's like covered in smoke right now. Mainly Lindenwold area, it looks like. Nope, Hamilton's shooting them off. Yep. So that means, they're having problems too. Look at this dude. Isn't he smart? Like, these people are smart. They are doing a nice job driving. Not driving like an a-hole. Just just driving, being careful. I like people like that. Just do what they did. Like, it's like legit. You can't see anything. Like, legit. I repeat, legit. You can't see anything. I know you guys will be like, MJ's over dramatic. I'm not. This is dangerous. Like, the city should be fined for this. Like, this is legit sad. What if you have an asthma attack? What if you have pneumonia? Oh my God, terrible. Like, everybody's having problems. They aren't apparently anymore. Oh, yep, they are. Oh, shoot. Oh my God. Oh my God. Son of a gun. Oh my God. Pipe the noise down. Oh God. Who's all shooting them off, I wonder? Oh my God, city, I'm about to lose it with you. Lose it. Everything's about to lose it. I see them from here, but they're having trouble too. Office, pipe it down. I know, I'm freaking out too. Did anything happen? Did I miss anything? Pipe it down, people. Pipe it down. I know. You guys can go all stir crazy too. You all can. If you want to. That's up to you. Because I am. I looked down where the city of Hamilton's having their festivities. Their fireworks show. And I was looking, and they're having trouble too, but their fireworks like rises up toward the light, where that light is. Well, actually higher than that, like a foot or two, and then above that, and then they just sink down, like directly straight down. Oh my God, that's how legit, like, dramatic this is. Everybody, please comment down below if you think I'm dramatic or not. Like, I think I'm dramatic. I mean, I am dramatic. Being dramatic, but I don't know. But I mean, look at this. Like, everybody's is sinking. Like, look, I mean, it's bad. There's smoke everywhere. But I don't think it's gonna be. I didn't think it would be this bad. Like, it's hefty. Hefty smoke. Ooh. So, I mean, ooh, see? Look at this. I mean, wow. Like, oh, I can't get them, but I can get the people in front of me. So, and their fireworks. They had a ton. I'm sure they have a ton more. Ooh, it's getting dense. Ooh, densey. Wow. This is getting denser and denser. Ooh, there went a whiplash. This is horrible. Everybody's is sinking. Like, I've never seen this before. Never. Like, they tried to shoot theirs off again, and then they couldn't get it. Oh, shoot. Oh, there we go. That one was a good package. Well, maybe not. That was the worst package ever. Oh my god. Wow. Like, whoa. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, shoot. Oh my gosh. Like, look at this, y'all. Like, oh my god. I've never thought it would be this bad. Never. Never this bad. So, yeah, guys. So stay tuned right now. Stay tuned. I'm gonna continue my coverage for y'all. So, stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. And, so yeah. Stay tuned. Uh-oh. Dude, now's the time not to be on a motorcycle. Oh my god. I see him from here. Wow. Oh. Who's shooting them off now? They are. My people quit, I think. Oh. But the ones down there didn't. Uh-oh. There's a traffic pileup. Benninghofen and, Chase, I think it is. And oh, looks like they started moving again. I think there's a spark or something in the road from the fireworks. Not them things that go down and shoot. The ones that go up and shoot, like you're seeing right now. MJ's turning the light on. MJ can't wait to get a lamp. He also can't wait to get off of his medicine that he really hates. Actually, this is not going to be a good view for you guys, so I'm going to make it a fair trade. Just to be nice. Because I'm nice. So wow. I never thought looks like my people might have started again. That's in front of me. Not my people as in my family, but whoa. Okay, that wasn't my people. Yeah, I think I might have scared him off. Ooh! My God, who was that? Oh my God, guys, look. That's how dense it is. Oh, shoot. Not pretty, guys, not pretty. Gotta go.